After years of tension between the world's two biggest economies, the United States and China are finally easing their trade war. But what does this mean for India's exports, jobs, and economy? Let's find out. Tensions between the US and China have eased after both sides reached a tentative trade framework, avoiding new tariffs and reducing export restrictions on key materials like rare earths. This has lowered global trade uncertainty and brought some relief to global markets. With smoother trade ties, global supply chains may stabilize, though companies will still pursue a China plus one strategy, keeping operations in China while adding new bases in countries like India, Vietnam, and Mexico to reduce future risks. For India, this opens both opportunities and challenges. Opportunities. India could attract more foreign investment and manufacturing, especially in electronics, textiles, and renewable sectors, as firms diversify from China. Challenges? India still depends on Chinese imports for key raw materials and faces infrastructure and policy hurdles that could slow gains. Industry-wise, textiles and apparel may see more export demand. Electronics and EV components could gain new factories and investors. IT and services sectors may grow as firms seek stable partners outside China. Overall, this trade thaw reduces global tension but also tests India's readiness to step up as a major manufacturing and export hub in the new global order. As the US and China take a step back from confrontation, India stands at a crossroads, ready to rise as a global trade hub, but only if it seizes the moment with the right strategy. Stay tuned for more insights on India's economic journey.